Most guitarists learn harmony wrong. Voice leading is more important than chords.
I agree, Schroeder. But what does it mean, and is there a simple way to do it? And who is the voice leading champion of the guitar?
Gotta be you, Froggy.
No, it's Fernando Sor. Today I've got a mind-blowing revelation connecting Sor to the Barry Harris harmonic system.
Sor, I can play one of his etudes.
Brilliant. Play it. Good. Now, is this etude just a chord progression? Or something more? Look at these three independent voices. Sor's writing is all about voice leading. Some pieces are even polyphonic.
Whoa, 3 melodies? That's beautiful.
But let's focus on the chords again. Do you see how Sor connects every chord to a diminished chord? His voice leading is fundamentally shaped by the use of these diminished chords.
Yes, wow. Like every chord has a diminished partner.
Exactly, and Barry Harris did the same, but he connected two 4-note chords. For example, B diminished 7th connects to A minor 6th in Barry Harris' 6th diminished concept. But B diminished 7th consists of the same 4 notes as G sharp diminished 7th. So it's the same resolution as in Fernando Sor's etude. So try playing the etude with 4-note chords just for practice, please.
What's the twist?
In Barry's system, the minor 6th and the diminished 7th chords are two sides of the same coin, so we can let the two chords melt into each other. That means we can borrow notes in between them to create smooth voice leading.
That's amazing. Are you saying if I visualize the diminished partner for every chord, I can improvise freely with killer voice leading?
Exactly. We can practice it by playing variations of your etude nice and slow while keeping one of the original melodies.
This is so cool. It sounds incredible. And like you mentioned in other videos, if you add the two chords together, you get an 8-note scale called the minor 6th diminished scale. So we can build new chords from that starting point too, right?
Right. I will leave a link in the description.
Awesome. Next, we'll check out some Barney Kessel phrasing though, right?
Yes, but first I want to dive deeper into this diminished chord perspective on voice leading. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.